Plumbing repairs are one of those things you don't want to mess up, so knowing the most common fixes can save you big headaches and cash. Okay, so first off, leaks are super common, right? If you spot a drip or puddle, don't just ignore it because it'll only get worse. Next, pipe replacement is a big one when your pipes start rusting or cracking, especially in older homes. Drain cleaning is another daily thing. Clogs happen all the time from hair, grease, or random stuff going down the sink. Faucet repair is usually quick but annoying. A leaking faucet wastes water and can hike up your bill. Water heater servicing is crucial too. If your heater's acting up, you could be stuck with cold showers or a flooded floor. Always check for corrosion and sediment buildup during servicing. If you're tackling these yourself, make sure to shut off the water supply before starting anything. And if stuff feels too tricky, call in a pro instead of making it worse. One of the biggest mistakes people make when handling plumbing repairs is ignoring small leaks. This can cause mold and water damage over time, so fixing them early is key. Another common issue is trying to clear clogged drains with harsh chemicals. This can damage your pipes, so go for a drain snake or call a plumber. Lastly, skipping regular water heater maintenance often leads to costly breakdowns. Flushing the tank yearly and checking the anode rod helps keep it running longer. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without all the stress of searching around. Plus, it's great for contractors too because it connects them with homeowners who actually need their skills, making work easier to find.